Today, we are going to backtest free EA on the MQL5 marketplace. This EA was built around moving averages and risk management. It's one of the more aggressive strategies due to the Martingale technique, which doubles down after each loss. While high risk, it's also high reward when optimized correctly. With our optimized settings over 1 year, this EA got more than a 90% winning rate with a lower drawdown. Today's focus is on the MA-line Martingale MT5 EA, a powerful tool that can help you refine your trading strategy. I'll show you exactly how to optimize and backtest this EA to boost your trading strategy potentially. Plus, I've got a special offer for those who want to skip the trial and error. So, let's dive in. This strategy is simple. When the price crosses over the moving average, it opens a trade in that direction. After a losing trade, the EA multiplies the lot size up to the chosen level and then resets to the initial lot size. Now, let's talk about optimizing the EA settings. Here I will use the Euros currency pair in a 5-minute time frame. If you go for a higher time frame, you can get more accurate signaling. We use here a $100 initial deposit, so we are going to optimize this EA for low capital. Remember, the goal is to minimize drawdowns while maximizing profits. This process requires patience, but trust me, it's worth it. Let's speed up the process. Once we've fine-tuned the settings, it's time for backtesting. For this test, I'll use the optimized settings we just configured and run them through market conditions. As you can see, backtesting helps us gain confidence in the EA's performance, highlighting strengths and revealing potential weaknesses. You can download this free EA from the MQL5 marketplace and our website. Now, for those of you who want to jumpstart your trading, I've got a special offer. You can get the optimized, backtested EA settings set I just used from our website. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more trading insights like this. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Let's keep improving together.